Grand Coronation Night of our Ginoong Mabuhay 2023.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're one of our flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else.
Kabataang Mabuhay Nun. Welcome to Linggo ng Kabataan 2023. Ngayong gabi, makikilala natin ang isa sa 14 na ginoong mabuhay ang makokoronahan ngayong gabi. Kaya't mga kabarangay, halina't sama-sama at magsaya.
Treasure, that is what you are. You're my golden star. You know you can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure you. Oh, oh. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure. You are my treasure.
Run, now we run. We go hard like we lose none, and now it's done. On your son, slice and dice it in dessert like there's a trap. Like there's a trap. Like there's a trap. We run, we
Maayong gabi sa inyo og labi na gyud sa atong SK Chairman Darbel Montaño og labi na gyud sa iyang mga kaubanan sa council og labi na ang mga kiki officer. Nagpasalamat gud ta sa atong event organizers.